Hey there, now we are on video F5 and we are solving for I. So we are solving for our interest rate. Remember, it's the rate, not the amount of money solved. Because the amount of money earned is usually pretty simple. But first of all, let's just do the math, then we'll worry about our steps. All right. So order of operations says, line formulas, same thing. Is we're going to simplify each side as much as we can. So there is nothing to do here. There's nothing to do here, but this is the one that messes people up. You can actually multiply these two together first. Let's do that. That should be 4,800, but I don't know. Times 4. Okay, so all I did was multiply these two together. So here's my variable now. This is a big trick, or big thing to pay attention. So this is a variable, this is a plain number, and this is a plain number. You need to put these two together first, right? That's the second step when we're solving equations, is to move stuff around so all the numbers are on one side and all the variables are on the other. You can't put those two together. This doesn't have an I, you can't add it to that one that does have an I. So let's get rid of this. So this is a plus 1,200, so I'm going to subtract 1,200 and subtract 1,200 over here. So 1344 minus 1,200 is 144. Is equal to 4,800 I. Make sure at that point that your answer isn't negative, because you're not going to get negative interest. Sorry, I'm being interrupted by a dog over here. Okay, go on, take a hike. All right, now we want to get the I all by itself, so we need to get rid of this. And because they're side by side, we're going to divide. Go on, go lay down. Good girl. So I got I is equal to 144 divided by 4,800. Now, don't get weirded out if it seems like a really small number, because this is going to give you your number as a decimal. So it's going to be 0.03. Now, to convert that back to percent, which is what we usually talk about when we do interest rate, we need an extra step of times 100. Times 100, 3%. Okay, that looks weird. All right, so your turn. Stop the video, do the question over there, give it a shot, see if you can make that happen. All right, same thing as before. I'm going to multiply these two together first. All right, I can't put the, it looks like you should. It looks like it'd be so nice, but nope. Gotta follow the rules. So 900 is equal to 750 plus 6,000 I. Now we need to move the numbers all onto one side. So subtract 750. 900 minus 750. Okay, so now my numbers are on one side, my variables are all on the other. So I'm going to divide here to 6,000. Remember, if there's nothing in between, that means multiply. Divide by 6,000 here, and I get 150 divided by 6,000, and I get 0.025 times 100 is 2.5%. And there we go. Okay, I'm going to realize that there's a mistake in my practice question here. We lost something here. We're following our formula. Right, 3,700 is 2,500 plus 2,500 times I times 6. All right, so step 1, multiply hold on for a sec.